Toi tū te marae a tānei, toi tū te marae a Tangaroa, toi tū te iwi. On Wellington whanau land, Hamish Clueard has installed Chinampas to regenerate the Wairepo. The hills flanking the Tutukākā Harbour feed the Chinampas. This iconic harbour has a relatively small catchment area, so Hamish's work will contribute to improved water quality in the harbour and provide breeding and nursery habitat for tuna and other native species. Kokapu will be naturally reintroduced by installing and providing fish passage through the road culverts. These fish living back in the ngāhere are going to be our measure of success for this restoration. Well over 90% of our wetlands have been lost. These are the kidneys of the land, cleansing the water before it goes out to sea. They were also traditionally a source of kai. Chinampas were developed by the Aztecs in what is now Mexico. Inspired by what he learned about them, Hamish has designed them to slow the water down. The water used to move down the slope, but now it serpentines around the Chinampas, slowing down considerably and allowing any sediment to be deposited. Hamish talks here about the origins of the project and how the Chinampas work.
Yeah, so I did a course with Klaus lots, and we started talking about Chinampas and working out where we could actually build some, and so this was perfect for it. And so I got a digger in here, started digging the place up and creating these channels, and also the parts between the channels is where the gardens are going to be. So, the effect of it has been to slow all the water down, and see there's a white tape just over here, and that's carex over there. That's a grass with the raupo, and where that white tape is where the carex used to be. So in just a year, all that carex has grown outside that white tape and is coming this way, and all of this raupo is getting thicker as well. So as well as it being a garden, it's a great way to bring the wetland back. So there's a lot of water in there now. I used to be able to drive in here with my four-wheel drive, and you can't get in there now. You know, it's soft, deep. Yeah. So we're on the Chinampa now, and all of this comes from down there and down here, all what we're walking on. And it's very acidic at the moment, so we've got to sort of try and balance it up, or grow blueberries. But see, this is Sycales beetle. If you can just hold that for a minute, I'll just see if I can find one of them. But they are eating this alligator weed, and there's one there, look. See that beetle in there? There's two beetles in there. So that's what's eating and that's a biocontrol. I don't know, I think it came from South America. There's another one there. It's doing a great job. And it started, first of all, it starts on the stuff that grows in the water here, which is all dead, and then it's going out into this big filter here at the moment as well.
We are now approaching the Chinampas from the lower side of the Wairepo. The Chinampas help to keep the Wairepo well hydrated. Hamish has also created leaky weirs out of the vegetation to slow the water down further up the Wairepo. The Chinampas will be used to grow food for the whanau, with blueberries being a possibility. Hamish's work is showing the way to re-establish wetlands across Te Tai Tokerau.